Okay, so been having problems with horizon tilt. Contacted DJI and they said to recalibrate using the DJI Assistant 2 software, which I did. Plugged everything in. Ended up recalibrating all the cameras. All the cameras, the sensors, all the way around. And then I did refresh for the software. Let's see if I could do a dual screen on this thing. Let's see if this will work. Where's my camera? Just so you can see. There we go. Okay, so DJI Mavic Air 2 did a refresh on the software, rebooted, so fresh install of the firmware, calibrated all of the
home
sensors,
point has
the
been
cameras.
updated. Please check it on the map.
And now, and then after the reboot, recalibrated the gimbal, the IMU, and compass. So this is the maiden flight to see how well it actually did. First time doing dual view like this too.
Take off.
Let's see how the horizon
The home
is.
point has been updated.
Gonna
Please
let
check
it
it
sit
on
here
the
for a little
map.
bit. Let it sit there for a couple minutes, and then we'll go back. Try to get back here. There. And also we're going to record. Let's go 4K, 30 frames a second. Alright, so now we're also recording. Alright, let's see how it turns out. Yeah, horizon's good. Go into sport mode. A little bit tilted, but it's not horrible compared to before. Yeah, not bad at all. Alright, sport mode, let's go. Yep, still getting some tilt. So if I rotate, it goes away. Yeah, I don't know. I'm coming back. I can hear it. Where the heck is it? Oh, horizon looks pretty good actually, so it's not horrible. It's definitely tilted. Must be a little bit windy up there too. Let's see how it looks. Well, it's straight though, but the quad is definitely tilted. Not bad. Yeah, I'll take it. It's after running around like that, the horizon's pretty even, so I'll take it. Let's do a dual screen again. Let's bring it down. Make sure I don't hit anything. Not too shabby. I'll take it.
Landing.
Yeah, I'll take it. Not bad at all. So maybe that refresh did work. Alright, thanks for watching.